and welcome to my channel. I have macaroni and cheese, mice, and talk spot and cheese. I'm gonna use one of the ephemeras I made in December 2022 when I followed Dephemberember 2022. I also want to show you the result for my previous video. I ended applying some dry brush on the whole surface, so I'm gonna link the video down below so you can see the before and this is the after. So I'm very happy with the result. And what about having a yellow background? I have this two parts. So this is like a bookmark and then it goes right inside here. I'm gonna tell you what was the prompt for this day because I don't remember. And let's go to the prompt list for that 2022, and it was December the 22nd. So it was let me see, it was this one, grunge snippet strip. And then I want to do something with the cheese, the macaroni cheese, and also this part. And this is what I have. I found this macaroni and cheese, and I have that little beautiful mouse here. So yeah, let's do it like this. Yes, that's enough. I don't need anything thick in this case. Actually, it's the opposite. I need it to be very thin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut in here because I wanted to see that mouse like coming out from the macaroni and cheese. Coming out. This is the way I like it. I mean, this is like coming out from there. I have this, I want to keep close or on pages like close one to each other. So let's see. I have another yellow here, but it's busy. I have that busy. Oh, I don't have anything yellow. Let me see around here. Nope. Look at how nice. I complete everything you're seeing in here is from Dephemberember 2024. We're going halfway of the whole Dephemberember. This is what I have so far. I glued the mac and cheese on top of a cardstock. I did the cutting and I placed the little mouse inside. So this is what I have. I love the shadows here. It looks like 3D tiny bit. And then I'm gonna go in this yellow page because of the color of cheese. Another thing is that I want to cut this CH that is for cheese, and I'm going to place it somewhere around this page. So let's cut it. I don't going to separate them, but just leave it like, and then you can see a little bit of cheese falling on top of the letter C. You see it there? So I like it. This is going to be my talk spot. That is today's prompt. So I'm going to have that inside here. Also, I have this glue on this page. I'm going to get rid of this. And I would like to open this envelope and then cover this whole page. So that's what I'm going to do. This is really, really cool. I remember doing this with a packaging from a chocolate, and I made an envelope, and I'm going to show you how it looks like from the inside. This is the brand, and this is the open envelope. I think I'm going to go for this one. Let's do this. And you know what? I'm going to give you a tip. When you need to glue something on a glossy surface, I recommend you to file the surface, because in this way you're going to increase the porosity, assuring that the glue is going to make a good contact with the surface you're gluing to. You can also file both of them, but this is cardstock, so this is not going to have any problem. It's like the fold of the previous envelope. And yeah, this is incredible. We are halfway of Dephemberember 2024. Pretty soon, heading 2025. Well, we already are heading into it. So that with my hearts here, and I'll need to fold this into what I have here. So let me just go in this way so I avoid having problems when opening and closing my journal. There we go. Tiny bit here. It's very thick. I can also leave this as a flap here, but I don't want to. And I can always cut this part because the following page is a little bit shorter. So I want to have it in the same length, you see? Awesome. So this is complete. And I'm happy because I'm using one of the ephemeras from last year. And you know what? I need to clean this a tiny bit because I need the today's prompt is a top spot. So I want to have a little bit more space over these parts here. So yes, so let's do it like so. And I think this is going to be enough. There we go. Same way as the ball. Let me see if I can fold this. I'm gonna put a little bit outside so I can have it. Doesn't matter if I have it popping up in here or showing up, you see, but I want this to be able to fold when I close the journal. Then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have this inside my top spot there, and I'm going to glue the cheese initials in here. I like it. I think it's really, really cute. What I can do is I can go ahead and apply a little bit of distress photo. I shouldn't done it before gluing this here, but you know what? It doesn't matter. I can always go back. We can always go back and fix or do or check or correct. Okay. And in here, all right, here I have my quotes. Let me see, what do I have here? Check it out. What about that check it out? Because it's blue like the whole thing. And then I'm going to do something else for the rest of the page. Check it out. Check it out. It's all about cheese. And here, yeah, I have all the months. December, yay, I have December here. This is brand new. Okay, December. All right. December. This is more than perfect. There. So let me just, what I need to do is I need to do it on the table so I can have exactly what I need. That was the problem. All right, I fix it. I fix it. Yes. So go on a sturdy surface. December. This is gonna be like a shadow of the letters. It's okay. All right, let's allow this to dry. Okay, so I have that here. Top spot with cheese. I need a little bit more of glue on this part here. Check it out. Cheese over there. And I want to keep the date where I first made this. That was December 2022. Dephember Ember 2022 was the date where I made this cute grungy pocket. So I'm very happy with the result. The iguana is gonna be waiting for my next idea, my next page, so it's gonna be waiting over here, and this is the result for today's prompt, Dephemberember 2024. We are halfway of Dephemberember 2024, and today we did chalk spot and cheese. The creation is amazing. I had so much fun using for the first time one of the ephemeras from 2022 Dephemberember. So that's why I have the date here so I can remember, and I still have a full box of those ephemeras to use in my next episode. What do we have for tomorrow? Tomorrow we have flip out page and old photos. That sounds very, very interesting. So I hope you enjoy this episode. Leave me a comment. I am sending you a lot of love, and I see you tomorrow in another very creative episode. You can always subscribe to my channel. You just need to click here in my picture at the end of the video, or also in this corner right here. And also, if you think that this episode motivate you enough to start your ephemera, if I gave you some new ideas, just let me know in the comments down below and leave me thumbs up. I see you very soon in another episode. Bye friends. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.